I see some of my old friends are here in Red Sea. And I'm sorry we are having bad weather. This is Switzerland. As we are going to have 6 or 7 talks, we should go into what I am going to say very carefully, in detail, covering the whole field of life. So please, those who have heard the speaker before, please be patient. Please have some kind of tolerance. If one may repeat, repetition has certain value, and as we are going to discuss or talk over together the many problems of our life, it's important that we hear each other carefully, affectionately, with a sense of comprehension, not only the verbal meaning, but what lies behind the word. Good Lord, you're all here. So am I. Prejudice has something in common with ideals, beliefs, and faith. And as we are going to talk over together, observing the state of the world together, and what is happening in the outward world, and also in the inward psychological world of man, we must be able to think together. In thinking together, our prejudices, our ideals, and so on, prevent the capacity and the energy required to think together, to observe together, to examine together, to discover for ourselves what lies behind all this confusion, misery, terror, destruction, tremendous violence. To understand all this, not only the mere outward facts that are taking place, but also to understand the depth of all this, the significance of all this, we must be able together observe. Not you observe in one way and the speaker another, but together observe the same thing. And that observation, that examination is prevented if we cling to our prejudices, to our particular experience, to our particular comprehension. So if we are to think together, and the thinking together becomes tremendously important, because we have to face a world that is rapidly disintegrating, degenerating, where there is no sense of morality, nothing sacred in life, no one respects another, and to understand all this, not only superficially, casually, but to enter into the depth of it. What lies behind all this? Why, after all these millions and millions of years of evolution, why man, you and the whole world, whether it is east or west or north or south, why man has become like this? Violent, callous, destructive, facing wars, the atomic bomb, and all the technological world is becoming more and more evolving. And perhaps that technological improvement may be one of the factors why man has become like this. So please, together, let us think together. Not according to my way or your way, but the capacity to think. And thought is the common factor of all mankind. There is no Eastern thought or Western thought. There is only the capacity to think. Whether one is utterly poor or greatly sophisticated, living in an affluent society, whether he is a surgeon, a carpenter, a laborer in the field, or a great poet, thought is the common factor of all of us. We don't seem to realize that. Thought is the common factor that binds us all. You may think differently according to your capacity, to your energy, to your experience and knowledge. Another thinks according to his experience, to his knowledge, to his condition. So we're all